Hey traders, happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kong with K.trades and I have another recap here for you guys. So this recap is actually going to be on today's trade, Thursday, February 10th, and it's going to be off some scalps that I took off QQQ this morning. So as always, I just want to touch briefly on pre-market and kind of like my pre-market plan and what I was thinking about coming into market open today. So yeah, let's get right into it. Pre-market, I'm not a big fan of trading after big gap ups just because, there's such a large range within the pre-market in itself that, I just don't find that there's a lot of good structure involved and I can't really find a good edge to put a trade on. As you can see, SPY up top here, pre-market range is between 451 all the way to 455-ish, and a pretty large range down here too with QQQs. And this is already telling me that I gotta be a lot more patient today coming into market open. Really waiting for some sort of structured form so I can find my edge and then make my trade off of that. And not only that, this week so far, I've noticed that market opens, but there's not a lot of follow through on each side. There's been a lot of fake outs, so it's just another reminder to me that you got to be a lot more patient. Maybe your first couple of minutes that you're used to trading is just not working as well anymore, and it's just a reminder that to tell us as traders that we have to be adaptable if the market is changing. If the market is changing, you as a trader need to be able to change too as well. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So market opens up. I'm just watching here. I'm just gonna keep fast forwarding. I actually don't make my first trade until maybe I think 15 minutes in. So this on Q's down here tested pre-market high. I'm not a big fan of chasing the first candle, so I'm just waiting and watching still at this point. SPY up top here did break pre-market high, and it looked like it was gonna make a new high, but at this point I'm still just watching too as well. Nothing's really giving me a sign to take on any trades and take on any unnecessary risk, you could say. So I'm just gonna fast forward here. So I do like the fact that down here on QQQs, it tested pre-market high and then rejected it too as well. So here I'm watching to see if there's going to be another retest of this pre-market high, and then I'm looking to take on my first position there. So I see that it tested again and then it quickly got rejected. So here I'm already thinking I'm going to be setting up for some puts here. If this candle can break its previous candle, this previous low candle here, then I'm going to enter for my first entry here with a stop loss of pre-market high. And then profit target down here at 363 or this intraday low here. So first candle broke, and then I got into my first entry there with two contracts, the 363 puts. So here I'm just gonna fast forward it a little bit. So here, I'm just managing my trades here. I'm thinking that if it can, stay below VWAP, which is this purple line here, I'm gonna add in another two. So I added another two there. And if you look down here on the volume bar down here too as well, I'm not really liking the fact that There's not a lot of volume involved, and also the momentum itself is really slow. So here, I'm telling myself that I just gotta be able to take a quick profits at this point, because I don't know if there's gonna be a big breakout, but my profit target is still going to be 363, and again, I just have to tell myself that I'm scalping, I'm not day trading, so I'm really just in it for the quick profits or the quick scalp itself. So I got in there for another 4. Oh, let me rewind that back a little bit. So here, it reached my profit target, 363, and then that's where I sold my first 7, and then I had 1 contract left. And here, I'm just kind of watching to see if it's gonna make another push down, but just knowing that this week has been a lot of fake outs, and it's just been not a lot of big follow throughs, low volume in the morning, so you have to just take your quick profits and call it a day. And that's basically what I did today. I think I exited my last contract here for a small profit of $215, but not every day is going to be a big winner. You got to take them as they come. So thanks for checking out the video. Hope you guys have a nice day. Peace.